7 stages of money maturity takes you through where we are in our lives around money. And each stage represents a different piece of who we are as people.
This course was life-changing for me. It was a course that showed me that there was another way to practice financial planning, and that in fact, it was a way to truly connect with clients.
Financial planners need to take this course because emotional intelligence, the soft skill, is really the hard skill.
I think it should be a primer for anyone that works with people because you learn so much. And within the 7 stages, you're able to learn how you are around money.
We need, of course, to have technical chops to do great work for clients. But if we don't take the time and learn how to listen and listen well with empathy, it's very hard for us to take great financial planning and impart it on with clients.
It's a way that I continue to practice today and want as many planners to be practicing as possible, because this is the way of the future.